Okay, so happy Thursday. And yes, Thanksgiving. But you know what? Every day is a day of Thanksgiving with me and the Most High Yah. So I know some of you have already started eating. Well, me and Coco went for our morning walk. We took a nice morning walk around the neighborhood. And yes, we are getting some real nice fall weather. Yes, the fall leaves is on the ground. We are in the 60s, nice and windy. Not too windy, but it's nice and cool. Cool enough to put on a sweater when you're going outside. Yeah, nice. So, y'all, I just been laying back, relaxing. Me and Coco. I just fixed Coco a charcuterie board, y'all. She loves her charcuterie board. Her charcuterie board is her cheese bites and her turkey. Yes, I get her everything from Publix. Everything from Publix. And when I make her cheese bites, I just slice a piece of cheese and then double slice and make little cheese bites. And she loves them. They are so fun to eat. She loves them. And she just finished a little snack. Let's see. We're going to see what Coco doing. Okay, yeah, y'all. That's her little charcuterie board there. Yeah, I had to get her an extra bowl. Because the kibbles in, y'all see that pink bowl she has, so her kibbles in that one, and her water is in it also. So I had to get that black one to put her treats on. That's her charcuterie board bowl. Look at her. Say hi, Coco. She just let me do a little trimming around her ears. Y'all know what? I was gonna take Coco to the I was gonna take her to I was gonna take her to Petco tomorrow so she could get a bath and a cut. But I'm gonna leave that hair on her because the air is cool now. Yeah, we're getting into that cool season, so she's gonna need some hair on her. And so I just got around those eyes, got that hair out of her eye, and she's good. And I'm gonna pop her in a tub this afternoon, and yes, give her a nice bubble bath. And I'm gonna show you what Miss Chick Fur Baby Coco essentials are. How about that? Okay, so these are her essentials. This is what Coco bathed in. This is a all in one shampoo and conditioner, and it's very light on their skin. Okay, so you don't have to worry about having some hard ingredients in here. Free of sulfates and artificial colors. Shampoo, conditioner, deodorizer, and moisturizer. I get this top paw from, well, I ordered this one from Amazon. If I don't have that on my Amazon storefront, I'm going to put this on my Amazon storefront. Okay? Yeah, and she got about that much of that. Plus, you got another bottle in there. Yes, you do. And I got this, from Amazon right here, paw cleaner. Yeah, y'all know I had to fight to get her paws, but she still haven't let me. I'll have to trick her while I got her in that tub, and then I get those paws. So this is paw cleaner. I got this off of Amazon. Okay. It says designed for daily cleaning, moisturizing and protecting your pet's feet. Okay, that's what we like that. So these are her essentials. These are her essentials along with her fancy stroller. So she could be pushed around like so she could roll around like the princess she is. Yes, she's my princess. And so y'all, so yeah. What else? So yeah, I got my head wrapped. I'm gonna do a hair maintenance video tonight. So y'all stay tuned for that. Also, shop my Amazon storefront. I know everyone, this is the seasons of giving and parties and everything. Y'all shop my Amazon storefront. I'm gonna put everything in the description box. Also, shop our Shopify store. I love my skin. Yes, y'all know I am the skincare guru. Oh, I can't wait to do my next skincare video. I haven't done a video in a long time using the steamer, so we'll do that tomorrow. Okay, we'll do that tomorrow. We'll do that tomorrow. We always have content over here. And so yes, so I had to, no, I didn't have to reorder my products, but I ordered some of my skincare products. Yes, I support my brand. I use my own brand. And so, I'm sorry about those birds, y'all. Anyway, I purchased some more gentle cleanser, some toner, and some serum. And so that will be on the way. I ordered it early this month. And I don't know how they got backed up, but then again, you know, this is the season for gifts and things. Plus, people are being laid off of jobs, so you got to figure in all of that. So what they did was did a reorder, reprint, and so my items should be coming in, they say, before Christmas. I said, okay. So I'm going to be using my own skincare brand. I got just a little bit of the gentle cleanser, y'all. I'm being, yeah. All it takes is one squirt anyway. That's all it takes. So at least I have that. And then I'm just going to utilize some of my Mario Badescu skincare products. I have some of his toner left, and facial mist. So we'll go ahead and use that while we're waiting on my toner and serums. But I must say, I am very happy the way my skin looks. It is nice, fresh, and clean. Now, I did do a skincare routine this morning, but all I did was my gentle cleanser. So, yeah, we're going to do two nice videos later on today, because I'm going to do my nighttime skincare, plus we're going to do a separate video on our hair maintenance. Yes, we're going to be oiling the scalp tonight. And y'all know I use olive oil, and y'all know that olive oil is just like a hot oil treatment. That's what I was trying to say. Yes, and that is very good for your scalp. And this olive oil that I use is olive and tea tree oil. Yes, very, very good for your hair. It strengthens it, keep it fed and moist, everything. Now I use that. I do that at least every 3 days. Yes, I have to. So we'll be doing a video on that later on tonight. Okay. So yes, okay. And my fitness store will be back online hopefully next week. Okay, then y'all can shop our fitness store. Y'all know I get my fitness in. Yeah, me and Coco, we did a nice long morning walk. Even though I was aching a little bit, but I was able to do a good long morning walk like we used to do. Yeah. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. Eat all the turkey you want. And dressing, okay? Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping new videos by chick babes and chick fur babies.